Nano. And we wanted to be sure that we could move in peace and harmony and be able to establish a new home for the plant. Mr. Modi stood out amongst all the others in guaranteeing us whatever we needed to have this plant in place.
Bengal's loss has been Gujarat's gain, and this is the reason why. We're just now in Sanand, which is about 2 hours away from Gujarat's capital, Ahmedabad, and this is where the world's cheapest cars plant has just been inaugurated. This is where Tata Nano will be mass produced. We are told in 1 year, this plant can produce at least 250,000 nanos. And if that number has to be ramped up, it can easily go up to even 5 lakhs. In short, every minute, mind you, this plant can produce 1 nano. That's the speed with which Ratan Tata and his employees want to produce the world's cheapest car. Now, this has been Ratan Tata's gain, especially after what happened at Shingur, where he had to have that unceremonious exit regarding the land deal, regarding Mamata Banerjee and her protests. Then this place has certainly been a boon for him, and a boon also for Narendra Modi, because he was the one who invited them here, giving them the land, giving them all the facilities possible. Finally, it appears Ratan Tata and his Nano have found a home. In Sanand, with camera person Shiva, Tejas Mehta for NDTV.
Well, days after the Mangalore plane crash and a close shave for another Air India flight recently, the Civil Aviation Ministry has issued fresh guidelines to all airlines for correct landing procedures and cockpit protocol. Pilots should follow correct landing rules. Landing should be judged not by how soft the landing has been, but if it has been made at the correct speed and touchdown zone on the runway instead of soft landings. In this regard, the Director General of Civil Aviation has said that a large percentage of incidents and accidents occur during the approach and landing or takeoff phase of flights. Coming up, all the international news.